In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Sony headphones to a PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the compatibility of most Sony headphones with a PlayStation 5. As you might be aware, most headphones made by Sony are primarily connected over Bluetooth. And even though Sony also makes the PlayStation 5, for whatever reason, these are not compatible natively. So as weird as this is, you will actually need to purchase an adapter for your PlayStation 5 if you have one of these standard Sony headphone models. It is extremely unfortunate, but as it stands today, the PlayStation 5 does not support Bluetooth audio directly. So in order to connect most of these headphones, you have to purchase an adapter like this one. It doesn't have to be this one from Ugreen necessarily, but basically it has to be a Bluetooth adapter for the PlayStation 5. You can look for adapter, receiver, transmitter, whatever you wish, and as long as it has a physical button like this, it will be suitable to connect your headphones to your PlayStation 5. Like I said, the reason we need to use this is because the PlayStation 5 doesn't support Bluetooth headphones natively, so by using this we will be able to get it done. So after you acquire any suitable Bluetooth receiver or transmitter, you simply slot it into the compatible port. So in this case, it is going to be the USB-C port. Some of them will include adapters, so you can go from USB-C to USB-A. But regardless, just make sure that you establish the physical connection. Once you insert it here, there will be a physical button. You have to press this physical button in conjunction with the physical button on your headphones to set them into pairing mode. So for this particular model from Sony, you will press the power button for a few seconds and set them into pairing mode. Then you do the same over here to set them into pairing mode and they will pair up together. As long as you press the button on the receiver and on the Sony headphones, they will be able to connect without any issues, and you will be able to set up the Sony headphones as a default output device. You will see this LED blinking to display the progress. And like I said, all that you have to do afterwards is go into the sound settings, choose audio output, and select the output device as the Sony headphones that you connected. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sony headphones to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.